Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and starting out season 4 with an homage to season 2. Oh yeah, let's do this. Woo! Okay, so I'm getting the rig ready for the new year, and I'm having some issues with my batteries. So I'm gonna go pull them out and have them checked because I don't think they're charging. Gotta find out what's going on. All 3 batteries need a charge. We're going to check it and see. 2 of the batteries I haven't changed since I got the vehicle, since I got my rig a couple years ago, so they just may need to be changed out. But all part of starting off the new year, right? So it turned out I had 1 bad battery. I replaced that, bought a new one. The other 2 were good after a charge at Autzone. So now I'm going to put them back in. One of the things I think I'm going to do as I get ready for the start of my first RV trip, I'm going to keep track of everything that I'm doing to get ready for the new year. So hopefully you guys will have an idea of what it costs to really turn things around and get ready to go RVing on a regular basis. For me, obviously things will change for you as you get to do it, but hopefully you're going to get to do it soon. So let's get that battery in. Replacing a battery is something I feel comfortable enough doing. It's just really taking off the leads and taking the battery out and then taking it over to get it fixed. Once you get your batteries back, it's just replacing them in order and then making sure you are all hooked up tightly and that the connections are clean and ready to go. So the batteries are now in. It's time to check and see if this bad boy will turn over. Let's try it. So getting ready for the new year, starting off a little auspicious. Batteries are doing well, and now on to getting some other things ready for the first trip. Again, I'm going to keep track of everything. So for this particular fix, this is what it cost. Now the batteries are all set, and it's on to fixing a couple other things before we hit the road. So this is the next part of getting ready for the road. Every year I take my RV, have the oil changed and the slides lubed. It's just something that I don't want to do personally right now. Maybe at some point I'll learn how to do the oil and do that. So I swing it over my local Camping World and have them do it. And it's just one more part of getting ready to get out on the road for the very first time this year. I'm excited. Okay, not real happy. The oil change and lube is done, but now the stairs won't slide out, and more importantly, the engine isn't turning over. And I know because I put in a new battery that it's not the battery. So I'm not happy right now. So I don't know if we're entirely done. There is an issue. We think it may be with a relay or another battery. I have to do some research. So I guess this part of getting ready for the new year isn't done yet. So the running total so far, $96.73 for the battery, oil change and slide lube $287.76 for a subtotal of $384.49. Ouch. Okay, back at Camping World for part 2. Hopefully we can get this battery situation worked out. Again, I think it may just be the relay switch, but we're going to find out and hopefully get this thing ready as we get ready for the first trip of the new year. So 2 hours labor just to look at this little fix, which probably will only take about, I don't know, 20 minutes. This is the frustrating part of dealing with RV ownership. RV, good to go. Starts no problem. The stairs slide out the way they're supposed to. These are two projects that maybe I could have done, but I'm not entirely sure. But they're done. Here's the cost. So according to Camping World, there were a couple of issues. One, there wasn't enough power getting to the engine, and that was coming from some washers and some corrosion in the cables near the batteries. And then also because of the stairs, there wasn't a good ground, so they had to fix the ground and lube up the stairs altogether. $333.80. The total to start the RV season for me, $718.29. A lot more than the last couple of years. A little surprising, but did what it did. Now it's time to get ready. Still a little bit left before that first trip.